Okay, you might have seen my other video regarding fiber optic on top of the Pico kill switch. This one is on my Baja. As you can see, I had to remove the existing aerial and again replace it with the fiber optic, which act as the aerial now. I used the I don't know what you call it, but like a spiral insulator, the one they use in electricals. I wrapped it around on the fiber optic together with the aerial, as you can see, and I drilled a small hole on top of my radio box and heat up the fiber optic just enough, like a nest bend, so I can still put the shell on without forcing or putting a lot of force on the fiber optic bending the other way. As you can see, my Pico kill switch on the Baja is switched off. I'm gonna turn it on. There you go. You can see the green light. Gonna turn it off and turn it back on and turn it off again. Alright, there you have it. Again, this mode will only work with the modified Pico kill switch, and this mode will avoid opening your radio box, checking if you have the Pico kill switch either on or off. I know some of you guys drilled small holes in it. I thought this one, will look nicer during the night. If I'll ever run it during the night. Right, cheers guys.